Okay, yeah, continuing on. It's coming along, folks. Look at that, sizzling. There's the products again. We're not sponsored by it today.
Just some butter, tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of oil so my butter don't burn. Now we're gonna get that nice and hot, hot, hot. I'm gonna fry my fish in some flour. Okay, have a bowl. Add some flour. Trim some flour. And put some fishmonger. I had to take the cover off and pour it out. We're gonna put some seasoning salt. Looks like lots, but you can't taste it. And just some little spice for some tahini. What's it called, yeah? Tahini. Oh, see, that's what you want hot. There we go. Then we're going to take our fish tail and this. Push it in the flour so it gets a nice coating. I like my fish like this, so it's so good. See? It'll go in the hot butter and oil. One more tail. One for me. Actually, both for me. Okay. Push it in. Push it in your flour so it gets nice little. The flour will make a little crunchy coating. Yeah. It's supposed to be hot. Okay. Let that boil.
Okay, yeah, continuing on. It's coming along, folks. Look at that, sizzling. There's the products again. We're not sponsored by it today. Here's the first one.
I just used a little bit of this because I want a little spicy,
Yeah.
not long.
This is spicy.
But it's flavored.
It's flavory, she says. This is always good. Everyone uses this. Yeah, the sky is the limit with your sauces. Look at that. Yep.
This one too is good for stuff.
That one?
You're gonna get to eat.
Yeah. There's our fish from the two fishes. Yeah. Oh, very delicious. Nice. Okay, April wants me to churn her fish steak another way, another recipe way. Wow. Very educational. I'm gonna have that one, I think. Yeah, thank you, Lord. Okay, it's done, folks. Another recipe. Wow, look at that. Another fish steak recipe. Part 2. Let's try it out. From this to this. Yeah. Continuing on. Part 2. Alright, folks. April's another recipe she made. Fish steak. Part 2. Oh, put some salt on it. Romaine lettuce on there. Oh, look at that. Nice. Let's try a bite. This is like original, like flavors. I can taste it. I like root for real. I recommend this one.
Don't eat all my fish.
Wow. I'll just eat the tail. Yeah. Delicious, folks. Yeah, April's, look at that steam off of that. White fish steak, part 2. Yeah. This one's original. It tastes good. Just trying to create content that helps people, and if they know how to cook the fish, and it's educational and helps people, you know. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it was educational. Fish steak part 2. Thank you. Bye for now. All right, we're getting the net in. We'll show you when we tie off.
Etu ko anda ikateti.
Without messing up.